Have you ever thought, I know English, but I can't speak it? The problem isn't your vocabulary. The problem is that you're trying to make perfect sentences. Here's a simple secret. Don't start with full sentences. Start with small phrases. That's how real conversations begin, and that's how you'll become a confident English speaker. Let's practice together. Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's lesson, you'll learn how to keep a conversation going using short, natural English phrases. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need long sentences. Just start speaking. As your confidence grows, your sentences will grow too. Now, let's listen to a conversation between Ali and Ahmed. Conversation. Ali. Hey, Ahmed. Ahmed. Hey, Ali. Ali. Everything okay? Ahmed, yeah, pretty good. You? Ali, not bad. Ahmed. Busy today? Ali, a little. Work all morning. Ahmed, same here. Finally free. Ali, nice. Ahmed. Any plans? Ali, not really. You? Ahmed, just thinking. Coffee? Ali, sounds good. Ahmed. Our usual cafe? Ali, sure. What time? Ahmed, around 5? Ali, perfect. Ahmed. Walking or by bike? Ali, let's walk. Ahmed, good idea. Nice weather. Ali, exactly. Ahmed, hungry? Ali, a little. Ahmed. Sandwich too? Ali. Why not? Ahmed, my treat. Ali, really? Thanks. Ahmed, no problem. Ali. See you at 5 then. Ahmed. Don't be late. Ali, I won't. Ahmed. See you. Ali. See you. Host. Did you notice? Ali and Ahmed didn't use long, difficult sentences. Instead, they spoke naturally with short phrases like, everything okay? Not bad. Same here. Any plans? Sounds good. Around 5? Good idea. Why not? My treat. No problem. See you. This is how many native speakers talk in everyday life. You don't have to speak perfect English. Just keep the conversation moving with small, natural phrases. That's the first step toward speaking English confidently. Remember, fluency doesn't begin with perfect sentences. It begins with the courage to say a few simple words. So, start with small phrases, practice them every day, and little by little you'll have longer and more natural conversations. If you enjoyed this lesson, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and practice this conversation aloud at least 3 times. I'll see you in the next English speaking lesson. Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English.